Hi, this is Supreet and welcome to my channel. Today we will be unboxing this package. So let's find out what's inside. Okay, so now let's unbox this. I have two knives. Okay. Wow, we have the new Samsung M51. So now let's open this. Let's take this knife. And let's carefully cut here. Cut here. Cut. Come on. Cut. Yes, there we go. Okay, so now let's see what's inside. Why isn't this open? Yeah, there we go. As you can see, here we have the phone, the new Galaxy M51. So now we'll talk about the phone later. Let's see what's inside. Oops. First we have the charger, a very nice charger. Second we have a wire. What else do we have? That's it. Where are the headphones? Come on. So now let's properly unbox it. Let's open it. Yes. Here we have the phone. Let's talk about it later. Let's see what's inside. We have a charger. We have a wire. We have cardboard. We have more cardboard. We have upper part. With this inside it, which has a key looking thing. Let's keep that, it might be useful. And there is something inside this. Quick start guide, regional law guide, warranty card. This is important. These two I'm throwing them away. Okay, so now it's a mess. Let's clear it up in 3, 2, 1. Before we talk about the phone, let's see the box. So first we have a picture of the phone here, and we have the phone here. Let's talk about the phone later. We have Samsung. I thought it was Samsung for a minute. And here we have Samsung Galaxy M51. I know that. Here we have stickers. Here we have more stickers. Here we have half stickers. That's it for the box. So now let's talk about the phone. Let's peel this sticker. How do you peel this sticker? Oh no. Somebody help. Help! Oh no. Oh no. 1 minute. Okay, so now I have understood how to peel it. Let's peel it. Oh yes. Here we have the new Samsung M51. Okay, I have started it up. So now let's see what's inside. So it gave me a lot of apps and I haven't installed even one. So let's see around the phone. First we have this side black. We have a half. It's as thick as my current phone. My current phone is a Samsung Galaxy M30s, which is the previous version. Okay, so now here we have a very reflective surface. It's very nice, and we have a sticker in the middle. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras and 1 torch. Okay, so here we have, I don't know if you can see it properly. Yeah, there we go. Here we have the headphone cable hole. What do you call that? And here we have the charging hole, and here we have the speaker. On the top side there is almost nothing. There is nothing actually. Okay, so now I think that's it. Honestly, now let's talk about what I think about this phone. So first of all, I like this phone very much, even though I just unboxed it half an hour ago. That's my first impressions. I like it very much. It has 4 cameras, unlike mine which has only 3 cameras. So this is an upgrade, but this is not my phone, so I can't use it. And it has a camera here. Instead of with the frame, it has camera in the center of the screen, which is annoying me. I don't like it that much. And I can't find the fingerprint sensor. It used to be here, but it is not. Where is it? Okay, so now that's it, I think. Thank you for watching. Before we end this video, I would like to tell about the gaming channel, which is a very great YouTube channel who sponsored this episode. The gaming channel is very great because they upload videos of gameplay, and it is also very great because they are my friends. So please check them out, and thank you for watching.